Hello friends, this is Dr. Aditi Jain and you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel ज्ञानवारिधि। आज हम 8 जुलाई 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स को लेकर डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं इस वीडियो में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Which ministry has launched informational video series COVID Gurukul on its social media platforms? This has been launched by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. President Ramnath Kovind has appointed new governors for how many states recently? He has appointed new governors for 8 states recently. Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade DPIIT has initiated a project on open network for digital commerce. The department in its current form came into being in which year? It came into its form in the year 2017. Who visually interacted with the co-chairs of the G20 High-Level Independent Panel on Financing the Global Commons for Pandemic Preparedness and Response? This interaction has been carried on by Nirmala Sitharaman. Tourism industry has signed MOU with which travel company to strengthen hospitality and tourism industry? This company is Yatra.com. National Tiger Conservation Authority (NTCA) has approved conservation of Ramgarh Vishdari Sanctuary into 4th Tiger Reserve in which state? This state is Rajasthan. CM of which state has urged the Union government to withdraw the proposed amendment to Cinematograph Act 1952? This state is Tamil Nadu. 2 mobile X-ray scanner facility has been recently inaugurated at which port trust recently? It has been inaugurated on Jawaharlal Nehru Port. James Anderson, who has registered his 100th wicket in first class cricket, belongs to which country? He belongs to England. Uttar Pradesh government has completed how many major projects in Varanasi recently? It has completed 75 projects. Postpaid Mini has been launched by which company? It has been launched by Paytm. Which union minister has been appointed as the new governor of Karnataka? Thawar Chand Gehlot has been appointed as the new governor of Karnataka. Mukhyamantri COVID-19 Parivar Arthik Sahayata Yojana has been launched by which state or union territory? It has been launched by New Delhi. The government of Jammu and Kashmir exported Mishri cherry from Srinagar to which country for the first time in the history of union territories? It is to the country Dubai. Recently passed away Raj Kaushal was a famous filmmaker. Recently, Ayman Benabdramane has become the new Prime Minister of which country? He has become the new Prime Minister of Algeria. Who has written the book Nathuram Godse, The True Story of Gandhi's Assassin? It has been written by Shawal Kulkarni. Where is Bagram Air Base, which was in discussion recently? It is in Afghanistan. Who has taken the charge as the MD of NHSRCL recently? This charge has been taken by Satish Agnihotri, retired former chairman and managing director Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. He has taken charge on 1st July 2021. Recently, with whom has Axis Bank partnered to empower digital banking services? It is with Amazon Web Services AWS to power the digital transformation program of country's 3rd largest private sector bank. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियोस पसंद आते हैं तो प्लीज़ उनको लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर ज़रूर करें। थैंक यू।